Hey Tanner, I'm gonna see if I can help you with the action button that you need for your PowerPoint. Remember we said you could do a couple of different things, so I just went back to this Thanksgiving PowerPoint that we worked on in class. You can do an action button by linking a word to something. So if I wanted to link the word turkey to a website, I could do that. I would have to go out and find a website that said something about turkey. And so I could go Google it, and I should probably say Thanksgiving turkey. And then if I wanted to link it to a particular website, I could click on this link to see what it is, highlight the website, and copy that to my clipboard. And then I can go back to my PowerPoint. I could highlight the word turkey. And then what do I want to do with that word? I want to be able to link it to something like that website, so I can right click on it. Whoops, now I'm just going to spell check it. Didn't really want to bold it, but I bolded it. Oh, for crying out loud. In my insert tab. Yeah, insert, choose link, and then what am I going to link it to? I'm going to link it to that website. So that's actually an action button. If I go to run this slide, I'm going to go up here and click on it, and it's going to take me out to that website. That's an example of an action button. Another action button that you could use, you could go within that same PowerPoint. Maybe you want to add a slide. So I'll go to the Home tab and I'll add a new slide. So maybe after I go to turkey, if I just type up here that this one is turkey, and then I don't know, I have facts or something about the turkey. Maybe I have a clip art on here, something of a turkey, whatever. So if I wanted to link, instead of linking to a website, let me call this one potatoes. I could actually link out to this slide, which might tell me something about potatoes. So I could highlight this word, and I could go to the insert tab, and if I choose link, this option does not allow me to link it to an object. But I could do an action setting on it. So therefore action button. So what do I want to do? I want to hyperlink it to slide number 3. So then I just change this to slide. And that's going to ask me what slide number, and I can click OK. And I can save that. So now if I play this slide, it's going to take me to here. I can click on it. It takes me to the potato slide, but the problem is I can't get back. So remember I said once you get to a slide, if you're linking between slides, you have to get back. So if I end the show, what I'd have to do, and this is another example of an action button, I can go and add a shape. So if I go ahead and pick an arrow, and I just draw that down here, I could go in here and I could type back, which means it's going to take me back to my home slide. So now I've got to link that. I can right click, choose link. I want to link to a place in this document, and so I'm on the potato slide. I want to go back to the food slide. So I want to go back to slide 2. I click OK, and so now it's done. So if I go to run my presentation, if I click on the potato slide, takes me to potatoes, click on the back button, it takes me back. So those are just a couple of different ways that you can do action buttons. It ends up being your choice as to what you want to do. You just have to have one that's functional within your presentation. Let me know if this helps. Thanks. Bye.